everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel with Toby and Dino, and where are we? At the Build-A-Bear workshop, yay! So look, they have the new Haunted Bears, which are really cool. Wow, that one is awesome. And oh wait, look at this picture. Skeleteddy, that one's really cute. Vampire Bear. And I never noticed this before, but Build-A-Bear even has clearance little guys, and they're 2 for $25. So this is from the Dragons movie. I think I saw Nemo. Yay, we found Nemo. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, he got eaten or flattened. And let's see what's over here. This is a new series, Pokemon. Oh, a birthday bear. Batman. I love Toothless. He's super cute. Then there's some My Little Ponies. Star Wars. Do you like the Star Wars ones? What one's the coolest? The clone bear? Huh? Is there Darth Vader? I think it's just Kylo Ren. Like, there's Kylo Ren. I like the lightsaber a lot. Some kitties, and they have a sale going on, 2 for $35. Hey, look! Look, army one. An army suit? Oh yeah, they have army outfits over here. All the special forces. Oh my, look over here, Paw Patrol, but look at these jammies. It looks like little baby jammies. The sky outfit, wow, so cute. The fluffy machine! Do you want to go in there, huh? Do you want to get fluffy? No? What are you doing?
Oh.
What does that do?
That's how we fill the machine.
Oh, that's how you fill the machine, make it more fluffy. Let's see some cool things over here.
Okay, so this is where we have all our sounds and stuff. These are heartbeats. You can feel this one. Feel it? You press on it.
Does it feel like a heartbeat?
Kind of neat, right? And then we have hide and go seek games, which are kind of cool. I'll show you how they work. You press on it. Makes a little noise, so someone can go hide your bear. Press on it again, makes a ta-da noise. So that's kind of cool. And then this is where we've got all of our awesome sounds. Do you guys like Star Wars?
Okay, so I think we're going to pick out Skeleteddy for Halloween. Oh, that one's really cute, the army one. But Skeleteddy, what do you guys like more, army or Skeleteddy?
Is there a special occasion you're here for today, Dean?
Huh? Halloween.
Halloween time? Okay. So do you want Skeleteddy to be soft and cuddly, or do you want him to be big and strong?
Huh?
Do you want him soft and cuddly, or do you want him to be big and strong?
Yeah.
You want him cuddly?
Cuddly and strong?
Cuddly and strong? Okay, we'll make that happen. Can I have you step back just a little bit? Okay, ready? Go ahead and step on that pedal. Okay, and I have to move this around, so I'm going to have you move your hand a little bit, okay? Good job. We're getting all stuffed with love. How awesome is that? Can I have you move your hand just for a second? There you go. He's getting all fluffed up. I'll get his head all stuffed. You're doing so good. Okay, now I need to do the belly, so I'll have you take your hand off. There you go. Go ahead and keep stepping. Belly time. We want to get him nice and squishy. Saying hello. Alright, do you want to go ahead and take your foot off? Good job, bud. Now we're going to take it off and see how he looks, okay? Hold on. We're going to make sure all the fuzz gets in there. And time to pull him off. Do you want to give him a big hug?
Yeah.
Give him a big hug and see if you like how he feels. Do you love him?
Oh, you're squeezing the stuffy now.
Uh-oh.
It's so weird.
Okay, do you like how he feels?
Do you like him softer or more thick?
Thick?
Do you want more in him?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Over
Hold on, I'm
the
gonna
hair?
just cut a little thing here. There's a little plastic piece. There we go. Now his arms are free. Okay, ready? We're gonna do a little more all over. Make him nice and strong. He's gonna be a big buff bear. Alright, go ahead and let go. Power down. Okay, ready? We're gonna make sure all that comes off here. All right, here we go. Give him a big hug.
Yeah.
How does he feel now? Is he perfect?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want me to hold him while you pick out a heart? Can you pick out a heart?
Huh?
Now you get pick out a heart. That's one.
Can you take it in your hands and rub, rub, rub? Take that heart. Where's the heart? Oh, there it is. Okay, rub, 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 rub. We want it to get nice and warm. And then can you shake it in your hands? Make sure it gets a good heartbeat. Good work. Now rub it to your ears so it's a super good listener. And to your nose so it always knows who you are. And rub it to your tummy so he has lots of yummy candy. Hold it up in the sky. Jump up and down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now we're going to rub it to your heart and give it all your love. Close your eyes and make a super big wish.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Well, you can keep thinking about it. Give it a kiss. And can you put it right inside there?
Yeah.
Ready? Whoa, that was good. You got it way in there. You put it in his head?
And its head. In its head.
Good job, bud. It's alive! That's so good. Can you give him a high five? Good work, dude. Okay, I'm gonna go get them all sewn up, okay? Do you want to look around at all the cool Halloween costumes while I get this taken care of, while I put them in surgery? Okay, you go ahead and look at all the awesome costumes, okay? I'm gonna put this right back on there. And then after, ooh, don't press on that one, okay? We don't want that to happen, okay? Alrighty, my friend.
So let's look at the outfits. There's the army military ones. Whoa, a Build-A-Bear pillow. PJs, those are so cute. Star Wars, like, is that an Imperial or a Rebel outfit? Rebel? Imperial? Cool. Pokemon, oh my goodness, look at that Big Bird costume, that's really cute. Broncos, then some sports gear, cheerleaders. Look at that, roller skates, whoa, my goodness. 1, 2, 3, Dino. Dino, look, 1, 2, 3. Wow. And look at the Frozen bears. These are different than the ones before. And I guess there's a new Disney Frozen short coming out in November, so really soon. Frozen outfits. Oh, those are really cute shoes. Yeah, you can make your own Build-A-Bear. Yeah, that's really cool. I think the roller skates are probably the coolest. Oh wait, so let's see these ones. Oh, okay, so here it's like shoes and then the skates. Kylo Ren. Let's check out the bear surgery.
Alright, we're just starting a bear surgery here. Really brave. He is. Just getting all the other little strings out of here.
Oh, you have the needle in his head?
It's okay, he's a skeleton. He's alright. He's undead. He'll be okay. Just want to make sure we don't have any of this stuff hanging out afterward.
So does it have string already in it, or you add the string? Okay.
So the string that I have right now is added string, because there is a string that's in it before. For kind of a quick stitch process that we do. Normally, we have strings that are just kind of crunched across.
Yeah.
The hole is left open, so we can fill it, and then I take the strings, I roll them up like this, so it puts them in a nice little row.
Yeah.
I just pull them.
Yeah. Okay, so now your bear is done. Oh, he's so cute. Skeleton, now give him a teddy bear bath.
What's that?
Stick your head under, what happens? What happens? Is it fluffy? Yeah, do it again. Fluffy. Try Toby. Fluff up Toby. You need to be nice and fluffy like a teddy bear. Here, let's fluff you up some more. Okay, then you can brush him. Oh, he's so cute. He's really big and strong. Lots of fluff inside him. Yeah, candy! He's getting a long air fluff. That's pretty cool. Let's see if Teddy can skate. Yeah, see if he can skateboard. Uh-huh. That's pretty cool. Very creative. Woo. Star Speeder. So, what name do you want? Skeleton? Skeleton E. Okay. No, not first one. And then Dino. And then do you want a birthday? Okay, how about we have it today? What birthday do you want? December 5th? December 5th. Okay, and this year, no, last year I guess. Let's see, 2016. And a boy. There we go. Skeleton-y. Cool. And then print. There we go. Okay, time to buy your skilly. Some air holes in there. Cute.
Box it all up in a nice little house.
So cute.
You want to take him down? There you go.
Okay, that was a lot of fun, and now Skeleton is going to go home. Well, please remember to like this video and write in the comment section if you've ever been to Build-A-Bear. Oh, look at that.